Revving up your English vocabulary. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a dynamic phrase that you might hear in various contexts. Rev up. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Rev up is a phrase that originally comes from the world of vehicles and engines. When you rev up an engine, it means you increase the speed of the engine, usually by pressing on the gas pedal. Example, before the race began, the driver revved up his car's engine to show off its power. Like many phrases in English, rev up has been adopted into everyday language with a more figurative meaning. When we use rev up in this sense, we are talking about increasing intensity, enthusiasm, or activity in some area. 1. For emotions and excitement. If someone is revving up for an event, it means they're getting excited or preparing with a lot of enthusiasm. 2. Example, the fans were revved up for the championship game. 3. For preparations and efforts. When you rev up your efforts, it means you're working harder or with more focus. 4. Example, we need to rev up our preparations for the big presentation next week. Remember, like many idiomatic phrases, the context is key. Here are a couple of tips. 1. Don't overuse. While it's a fun phrase, using it too often can make your conversation sound repetitive. 2. Match the tone. It's a casual phrase, so it might not be the best choice for very formal conversations or written documents. And there we have it. You've now added rev up to your English vocabulary toolkit. Remember, English is full of dynamic phrases like this, and understanding them can rev up your language skills. Hope this video was helpful, and happy learning!